Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to turn off Instagram ads and Instagram suggested posts. So let's do it. Just click on your profile icon and then you have to click on this three sidebar. Now you have scroll down and search for content preferences. Just click on this. You can't stop ads or suggested posts permanently, but you can snooze them for 30 days. For this purpose, you just have to click on this and on this setting. Now you have successfully snoozed your suggested posts for 30 days. After 30 days, you can snooze this again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.